Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to your WordPress website. Once you have reached the WordPress homepage, locate and select the login option positioned at the top right corner of the page. Taking this initial step ensures that you have secure access to your site's editing features. After clicking the login option, the next step involves signing in using your preferred Google account. Choose the Continue with Google option and then select the appropriate account from the list presented. This approach simplifies the login process by leveraging your existing Google credentials, which many users find faster and more convenient than creating yet another separate login. Once you are signed in, direct your attention to the quick link section that is prominently featured on your dashboard. Within this section, find and click on the Edit Site option. This action will transport you to the site editor, where you have full control over your website's elements and layout. The site editor is a powerful tool allowing you to modify various components, and in this tutorial we will focus on associating a specific link with an image. Within the site editor, navigate to the image you want to modify. Simply click on the image to select it. This selection process is essential because it activates the image's settings and options, making it possible to modify its properties. Once the image is active, look closely at the navigation bar provided along the top of the screen. In this navigation bar there is a link icon that you will need to click on. Selecting the link icon signals to WordPress that you intend to attach a hyperlink to the image. With the link icon now active, move on to the next step, which involves entering the URL you wish to associate with the image. Type the desired link into the space provided, and remember to press enter after completing the typing process. Pressing enter confirms your selection and applies the link to the image. At this point, the image becomes clickable, directing users to the specified destination whenever they engage with it. This functionality can enhance navigation for visitors, creating a more interactive and engaging user experience on your website. Following these steps ensures that you successfully link an image to a URL within WordPress, thereby improving your site's usability and interactivity. The process is straightforward yet effective, combining the convenience of modern login options with the robust customization features of the WordPress editor. Each action, from accessing the website to typing and confirming the link, plays a crucial role in ensuring that the image behaves as intended and offers a seamless experience to your site visitors. By following this series of clear instructions, you equip your website with intuitive navigational features, ultimately enhancing the overall user experience. Take your time during each step to ensure that every action is completed accurately, and you will have a fully functioning linked image on your WordPress website in a matter of minutes. Enjoy the improved interactivity and the convenience that comes with these enhancements to your web presence.